These are the two most popular brands that we carry, the Miele Triflex and the SEBO Boost. I'm going to point out some of the differences and why I love them, but what might fit your lifestyle better. First off, we have the corded vacuum versus the battery-powered vacuum. So if you have a lot of house that you need to cover vacuuming, I would go towards your corded. The battery is great for quick around the kitchen and family room and smaller jobs. Another main difference is the canister versus the bagged vacuum. So the bagged vacuum is the SEBO, and it has the 3-step filtration, which we've talked about, and you need to be able to replace the bags throughout the vacuum's life. The nice thing with the bagged is you just go and throw it in the garbage and no allergens or dust in the air, versus the canister, you need to just be aware that some of the dust might fly up in the air. So if you're sensitive, I would go a little more towards the bagged. If you're looking for a lightweight vacuum, the Miele Triflex wins in this department because it's so easy and convenient to take around your house or up and down stairs. They both have a 12-inch profile, and I love the SEBO to cover a large amount of spaces. But one of my favorite features of the Miele Triflex is the rotating head to go around dining room tables and small areas. The SEBO has the wand attached and the extension to it. But if you're looking for something a little more versatile, the Triflex can break down and can configure to different types of a vacuum, whatever you're needing. It can even become a handheld vacuum, which I really like all the ways I can use this vacuum. If you're needing to vacuum stairs in your home and that's a priority, then the Triflex is a good option because you can break it down and configure to make it attached like this and vacuum your stairs easily. Overall, you can't go wrong with either of these vacuums. They're both professional strength, high quality, something that you're not going to find at just any type of store. So it's a good thing you're shopping at Don Aslet, where you know there's going to be warranties, and we are a professional dealer of Miele and SEBO.